Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be tying this 2023 unconventional fast gele. First off, I take my gele as a 50-50 measurement, and yeah, I'm showing you how to make your pleats if you are tying your gele by yourself. So yeah, I'm making my pleats on my leg, and I make 5 base pleats. So you can make 4 or 5 or 6 depending on how you want the gele to be. So yeah, I make 5 base pleats, and you can see I'm dragging towards my knee to bring out the gele, and I make a fold like this. So you divide it into 2, you fold it like this so that you can hold it. So I am placing it on my head. I'm being careful so that I do not lose my perfect pleats. So now that it's on my head, I'm trying to arrange it, at the ear area is going to stay on top of themselves. So my pleats are on top of themselves when they get to my ear, and the other side is already well arranged. So I just come for this gele. There's no rule, it's 50-50. So any flap can go down, any flap can come up. So as you are taking it, you take it to the front, and here you just bunch it, you twist it, you twist the first one, you take the second one as well, then you twist it. Make sure that your twists are not too tight, but make sure that they are firm enough. So you want to come to the front to make a knot just once, like this, just once. Make sure it's not too tight. So yeah, you start to drag out your gele, just straighten it out, just stretch it, and take the ends like this, the way I'm taking it, make it a fold, and tuck it in your, what do we call it now, that area. Just tuck it in there, and take the other one, drag as well. You want to drag and stretch it out. Then towards the end, this is, one part of the twist will come to the front and the other will come to the back. So whichever one comes to the front, you tuck it into the back. Whichever one comes to the back, you tuck it into the front, like I did. Then you make sure that you smoothen it out enough that both sides join, so they touch themselves. You might not need a pin for this gele because I didn't use a pin at all, but if you just want to hold your gele down firmly, you can just pin the both sides that will meet at the middle together. That is if you want to be extra careful, but honestly you might not need a pin for this gele. So I make sure that I have twisted, and I come to the back and I show off my hairline. And this gele is really simple, easy, and classy. There's no way you take this gele to that they will say they not see gele. I hope you like this video, you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one.